It was a very hot summer's day on the island of Sodor. Vickerstown Station was bustling with passengers and whatnot, and holy shit. On the platform, two passengers met for the first time. After exchanging contact and telephone numbers, they looked into each other's eyes with stars in their eyes. And then the rest of the... yeah, you get the picture. Hurricane was waiting in the siding. He looked beyond the Vickerstown drawbridge. He prayed that relief would come within the skies very, very soon. At Barrow, Merlin was about to depart with a very special train. The driver opened the regulator, but nothing happened. He tried again, and still nothing happened. Merlin had ran dry. The fireman was furious. The passengers were very concerned. They didn't want to die of heat exhaustion at the coaches. The alarm rang down the line, and Hurricane was the first engine available. He ran up to the rescue to save his friend. Hurricane crossed the unseasonably boiling water and made his way to Barrow. In no time, he arrived. Merlin was very thankful to see his friend once more. "Ah, come on, let's get you home," said Hurricane. He quickly buffered up to the front of Merlin, and with no time turning around, he puffed backwards first, all the way home. Hurricane hurried as fast as he could without trying to exhaust himself. The passengers were very relieved. They even sang the praises of Hurricane and his crew along the way. Terrence the tractor saw this and was very thankful. "You got him, Hurricane, let's go," said Terrence. At last! Tired but triumphant, as always, Hurricane arrived, but then... "Oh no!" cried the driver as they overshot the platform by mistake. Hurricane was doing such a good job. He then corrected his mistake. Sir Topham Hatt and Toby were there to congratulate Hurricane. The passengers went out and celebrated in celebration. Sir Topham Hatt spoke to Hurricane. He was very thankful. "Well done, Hurricane. This is a very hot day in this time of the year. We need to all get cooled off at once," and Sir Topham Hatt went to the pool. "Yes, indeed," said Hurricane. Yes, indeed," said Merlin. "Invisibility!" And Toby was very thankful once again. Hurricane was hailed as a hero that day, not just saving Merlin, but the passengers within the coaches. However, there was a very odd day that was to come, but that was a story for another day.